Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video we will be learning how to change the graphic settings in Zombeast application. If you are in Zombeast and want to change the graphic settings, then adjusting it can help improve performance on lower end devices as well. First of all, launch open the Zombeast application on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open the settings menu where you need to go ahead and select the graphics section. Choose whether you want your graphics to be low, medium, or best. If you have a low-end device, you can go ahead and tap on low option. If you want the best visual quality for the game, you can select best option under graphics. So right there you know how you can easily change your graphic setting depending upon your device's capacity on Zombeast. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.